morning and welcome to Baking with Adele. I'm going to try and make a double chocolate banana bread. Now it's got lovely ingredients, but the problem is it's all measured in American style. So it says half a cup of butter, half a cup of white sugar, so forth and so forth. So yes, it's going to be interesting. Let's put it that way. So I'm going to put my oven on, like it says, and put it to the temperature of 180 because they say 350. So I normally bake at 180. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bake at 180. Yes. I have my butter. Problem is, it's on my Kindle, so it's going to keep going funny on me. I have my caster sugar, my milk choc chips. What else do I need? Vanilla extract, 3 medium bananas, sour cream is in the fridge, baking soda got here, baking powder will do. I think it says brown sugar as well. Yeah, brown sugar. I'm going to go with the light brown sugar that I bought yesterday. Flour. I presume we want flour. Do we want flour? Yes, flour. All flour and flour. So I'm hoping that's all my ingredients. Oh, an egg, just one egg. I'm gonna get on that fridge when I get my sour cream. So this should be interesting. Trying to figure out what to cut. One egg. Where's my sour cream? There's my sour cream behind my stir fry. There we go. Sour cream. So I'm hoping the sour cream might give me a thing, actually. One egg, check. This pot contains 10 servings. Well, that doesn't help. Nope, there's nothing on there to help. Ah, my Kindle's gone black on me. So I'm going to swipe. So actually, do you think on my phone it might tell me? Might do. Hi Siri. Hi Siri.
Good morning, Adele.
Can you tell me in grams what 1 cup in weight is, please?
Okay, I found this on the web for grams what 1 cup in weight is, please.
Hehe, it's found me. I love Siri. Right, cups to grams weight converter. Use our cups to grams weight converter. Right, tap here to use the tool. Don't disappear on me. Right, dry ingredients. Breadcrumbs, don't breadcrumbs. We want brown sugar. We'll go with brown sugar for now. 1 cup, calculate. 170 grams. Right, let's get my weighing scales out and see if that helps. Shall we? Yeah, it does actually. So that's good. On my weighing scales, I have 170 grams. I'm loving it. Right, I'm going to put my weighing scales there. Right, so 170 grams of brown sugar, it says. Right, I've got to preheat the oven, done that. Loaf tin. Loaf tin's down here. There it is. Got my loaf tin. Look, a beautiful new loaf tin. It says, right, I'm not gonna, I'll do that afterwards. Now I need my bowl and my mixer. Bowl. Hello, mixer. Hello, mixer. You stay there, I don't want you calling the computer. So I've got my mixer, my lovely George at home mixer, because my big one fell to pieces on me. So I need to get a new little appliance for my big one. So that's that one down. Let's put these in. Ready? Works just as good as the big one. I have my bowl. Right. That's gone quiet on me, of course. So what do I need to use first? Let's bring the phone over here. I need to mix the vanilla, egg and banana and sour cream together. So, right, dry ingredients. We need to figure out how much sour cream is. Would sour cream be, no, it wouldn't, would it be liquid? Yeah, this is going to be fun. But at least I've got it, haven't I? So 225 mils of sour cream. Yes, I'm destroying my kitchen already. Give it a little shake. Make me love. Get down tonight. Right. Sour cream. I'm not licking my finger. 225 mils. Okay, it's not exactly pouring in, but 300 ml in the tub. So, I presume use everything apart from a quarter, right? So I don't know why I'm putting it in that. So that's about a quarter out. So we'll use whatever's left in here, shall we? Right, so that's my sour cream divided and conquered. Now I need to mash up 3 bananas. And the egg. So let's put the egg in so I don't forget. I can go in first. Yay, no shell. Come to the bin. Then we want to mash up the bananas. And it's got to be 3 bananas. That's what it says on the label. So that's what's going to be done. And I must admit, I don't like bananas. No. Bad experience in labour with bananas. Blah. I'm hoping that you can't taste them in the banana bread. I really am. It's meant to be breakfast food, this is. I suppose that's where the bananas come in, isn't it? Right, so there's one all lovingly mashed up. One in. My spoon's disappearing into the bowl, so I'm going to scrape the sour cream out and put that in the sink. Ready to wash up later. One, two, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock on my door. Mash it all up. So I've done 2 this time. I don't know if that was a good thing or a bad thing that I've done 2. But patience is not a virtue I have. Normally when I'm baking I do simple recipes, as in 4 or 5 ingredients, just chuck them in the weighing scales and chuck them in. But I thought, seeing that it was our first time baking together today, that I would give this one a go. Seeing that I'd never done it before, you know, it's all fun. Right, there's the other 2 bananas in. Yummy, that just looks delicious. That's what it looks like. That is what I'm working with. Yes. Right. Mix it all up together. extract next. Did I already bring that over? I did. I got the last one in the shop. I'm going to stop and start you because this is going to be a while. Three teaspoons. 1 should be enough. 3 teaspoons. As you can see, I do a lot of measuring. Now I'm going to add the sugar, I think. Right, butter, sugar, butter. Leave that in. Right, I've got to do the sugar now. So I need to go back to my converter. Sugar, do. How much sugar? Half a cup. Half a cup. There we go. Is 100 grams. I'm really liking the fact that I found this converter. I think I would be doing more than one loaf tin if I hadn't found this converter. That's my 100 grams of sugar going in. We're going to mix up. What's next? Half a cup of brown sugar. So we know that that's 100 grams. Yay! I'm learning something already. And again, I'm using the light brown sugar that I bought yesterday from Aldi. The dark one always smells funny. Mind you, I don't know. I can never get on with brown sugar. Made it a lovely coffee colour. Now add my butter. Oh, butter. And I have had it out of the fridge for a bit so it can soften a bit. Right, let's do this again. How much butter do I need? Half a cup. So 100 grams again. I need a spoon again. Nearly 100 grams. Yeah, there's 100 grams. So let's put that in and see how we go. So this might be a nice mess. It might work. Which working? I guess that's soften the water enough. Sorry about the noise. Should be enough mixing there for that. I think I got rid of all the lumps. It's alright, what's next? Come on, up. Right, so now stir in the flour, cocoa powder and baking soda. Right, so we'll start with the flour. How much flour do I need again? If it's half a cup, we know what that is. 1 cup, so that was 225, wasn't it? always notice when you're opening a flour packet that there's always flour all over the packet? I think they do it just to make a mess. That's about 225. So now I've got to stir that in. Okay. So I'm getting my spatula out for this. So it doesn't look like I need my mixer anymore. So let's put that in the sink. So the flour goes in. Flour in first. So stir it in. Presume this is to keep the bubbles. I see bubbles, lots of bubbles. Bubbles and troubles for me. So I'm hoping, if I've got time, while I put this on to cook, I'm going to hopefully make some cherry and coconut muffins. I'm hoping. I don't know if I'll have enough time, but I'm going to try. That looks quite lumpy now. Right, so baking powder keeps going on. How much? I took a breath as I opened it. 1 teaspoon. Excuse the noise of the telephone. Don't worry about the noise of the telephone. The answering machine will get it. So 1 teaspoon of baking powder. See, told you. Stir that in nicely. And then we add cocoa powder, and this is all stirred in nicely. Over to 10 minutes yet? Not yet, that's good then. So now we want 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Or was it a full cup? Double check that. 1/2 cup. I think if it was a full cup, that would be way double chocolatey. Alright. 1/2 cup is 100 grams. I know this because we've done it before. That is a lot of chocolate still going in. So there's no worries there. And it not being chocolatey. It's good for the bat when you're stirring it in. Do you ever notice, like in the 1940s and things, women never had bat wings? Or, not that I've seen on pictures, because they were always busy stirring things and making bread and using that forgotten muscle the bat wing occurs. Wow, that smells really chocolatey. Very, very chocolatey. It's all mixed in nicely. Don't want any chocolate pockets, do we? That would be terrible. Right. So that, my darlings, is what I've ended up with. Now it's time to tidy up a little bit and do the greaseproof paper. We'll leave things out, like I said, just in case I get time to do these muffins. You never know. Don't need the cocoa powder. That can go back over there. Or the brown sugar. That can go over there as well. Don't need the banana peels or the banana packet. Don't need the mixer anymore. tidy up as you go along. Then it doesn't feel too bad when you're finished. So let's get some greaseproof paper out. It says to spray it, but I'm going to rub a bit of butter up the sides, I think, or a bit of marge up the sides, and put greaseproof paper on the bottom. It's getting hot in here. With the lights in the oven on, it really is getting hot in here. That is that on the base. Right. Put that one on sealed. Take a little bit of this and just wipe it on the sides a little bit. Especially in the corners, because that's where cakes always like to play up, in the corners. Right, so that's me all nicely greased up. So let's put the mixture, I'll roll this out of the way, you can see the mixture going in. Is really rich. Bash it down a bit, obviously without taking the air bubbles out, just to get it in all the corners, like so. And there's a bit more mixture in here. Right. Smooth down, and then my darlings, you have to cover it with cocoa drops, chocolate chip drops even. You really do. So here they are. And she patted them down in the video. Right, so that's my cake. Now, it's going to go in the oven. I want to put it in the middle shelf, right in the middle. Now that goes on. So that goes on for how long? Because I put my timer on then. 60 minutes. Cool. 60 minutes, that's what I'm going for. So that's my timer on for 60 minutes. Let me tidy up a bit more. Bubbles in. I hope I've done it right and it turns out as nice looking as what it does on the video that I watched. With it being a new recipe, you just never know. Here. Never know. And the beauty of baking on your own, you get it tidy up on your own. Yay! It does this sometimes, the hot water goes off sometimes. And it looks like it's gone off again. So I'm going to get to wash up my cooking pot in cold water. Yay! Yes! There is sunshine outside and the boiler in the loft doesn't like it. So we will have to get Mr. Producer to sort that out in a bit, won't we? Good to soak. So my lovelies, I'm going to say goodbye for now. Obviously the video is not finished because you've not seen how the cake's turned out. But I promise I will record a little bit in a bit of how the cake turns out. See you soon, guys. Hello. So the cake's out. It smells lush. But it doesn't quite look like the photo. And I'm a bit worried about showing you. It's spilled out a bit. And the chocolate chips have got a bit burnt. But it smells very chocolatey. So I'm going to slice it up, I'm going to get it out, and I'm going to slice it up, and I might let you guys watch that, so you can all laugh at me. Yeah, I've had to get changed. You know what it's like when people come round, can't have hardly any clothes on. Yeah, it took about an hour and 10 minutes to cook. I think I've just put too much mixture in the loaf tin. Right. Oh, it came straight out. I'm very, oh, it feels very soft, very Moorish. I've got to turn it over now so that the chocolate chips are on top. I can't believe that came straight out. I'm very shocked at that. Very shocked. So yeah, let's bring you over to the cake. Nigella Lawson, eat your heart out. It's an ADELESEXYUK original with the borrowed recipe. The recipe is no by any means mine whatsoever. I got it off the lovely internet. I have. So let's see how it chops. Let's chop the end off first. Get rid of the crispy bit first on the end. Oh wow. Look how soft and moist that is. Oh, that smells very nice actually. Do you want me to bring it over again, or just should I try eating a bit and show you? Here's the test, isn't it really? Very gooey. Very gooey indeed. I'm surprised the chocolate chips have stayed in their original state actually. Very surprised. Yes, do one more shot of the cake. You see it? Right then my lovelies, that is my first baking one done. I hope you've enjoyed spending the time with me. Tomorrow I will hopefully be doing a lemon cake and timing hopefully a coconut and cherries. We shall see if they come on here. Like the video for me everybody, subscribe to all 4 of my channels, and follow me on Twitter and Instagram at ADELESEXYUK. And I'll talk to you all soon. Goodbye my lovelies.